Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Signature X Series cable rail for stairs. The tools required for proper installation include a minimum 18-volt drill, a minimum 18-volt impact driver, a clamp, tape measure, 3/4 inch socket, hammer, a level, 9/16 of an inch drill bit, 9/64 of an inch drill bit, cable cutters, 5/32 of an inch Allen wrench, 3/32 of an inch Allen wrench, a T20 bit drive, cable tension gauge, adjustable wrench, if needed, and a turnbuckle wrench, which is included with the kit. Each X Series 6-foot cable rail stair kit comes with one 6-foot top rail, 2 compound swivel bracket packs that consist of 1 compound swivel bracket, 1 screw pack, and 1 top rail locking assembly in each pack, 2 cable infill adapters, 1 cable brace with included set screws, 1 turnbuckle wrench, 6-foot cable assemblies that come as 11 cables for 36-inch post height or 13 cables for 42-inch post height. Install X Series anchor post as per instructions provided with these posts and prior to cable rail installation. Ensure that the stair posts are installed close to the nose of the stair tread. Run a string line from the front face of the bottom X Series anchor post to the back face of the topmost X Series anchor post, ensuring that the string line touches the stair tread nose, closest to each post. Tape string line to top and bottom X Series anchor posts, ensuring that string line is taut and straight. Measure up from top of base plate to string line at each post location. Add 7/8 of an inch to each measurement taken and document this dimension at each post location. To establish the bottom cut dimension for each cable infill adapter, do not assume measurements will be the same at all post locations. Use the cut dimension calculated in previous step to establish the bottom of each cable infill adapter. At one end of the cable infill adapter, measure from the edge of the hole closest to that end and mark and cut at this location. Repeat for each cable infill adapter. Important to note, stair cable infill adapters are reversible and can be cut from either end for the first cut. Be sure to designate which cable infill adapter goes with each post. To avoid confusion, mark location and orientation of each cable infill adapter after cutting. Cut the opposite end of each cable infill adapter to establish the top. For downward-facing cable infill adapters, measure up 2 inches from top of top hole and cut. For upward-facing cable infill adapters, measure up 3 3/8 inches from top of top hole and cut. Do not throw away these cut pieces, as they will be used later. Insert short cables into cable infill adapter. Insert long cables into opposite cable infill adapter. Slide cable infill adapters into X Series anchor posts, making sure they are oriented correctly and installed into their designated post as determined in previous step. Slide compound swivel brackets into top and bottom X Series anchor posts. Clamp top rail to side of X Series anchor post, ensuring that top rail is running parallel to the stairs. Adjust each compound swivel bracket to align with direction of top rail and hand tighten screws using a 5/32 of an inch Allen wrench to temporarily stabilize the brackets. Measure between the brackets. Add 5/8 of an inch and cut top rail to this length. After removing compound swivel brackets from X Series anchor posts, insert brackets onto top rail. Ensure that brackets are fully seated. Using a 9/64 of an inch drill bit, pre-drill at all bracket locations. Only pre-drill through the first layer of the rail and bracket. Install number 8 by 1/2 inch screws into compound swivel bracket at top post location only. Install top rail onto X Series anchor posts. Position the compound swivel bracket partially into the X Series anchor post. Slide top rail locking assembly onto the dovetail on the top of both brackets. Slide the bracket down until it sits on the cable infill adapter. Note that the screw in the locking assembly may need to be loosened to allow the locking assembly to fit properly in the X Series anchor post. Tighten screw in locking assembly using a 5/32 of an inch Allen wrench. Remove cover on end of each cable. Thread cables through the holes in the cable brace. Thread each push-to-connect (PTC) fitting into the turnbuckle on each short cable until the threads just disappear in the turnbuckle. Ensure threads are flush with the end of the turnbuckle. Pull each long cable taut and straight by hand and mark cable at cut line on PTC fitting as shown. Cut each long cable on mark using cable cutters. This application may require 2 people in order to pull cable taut and cut. Push the end of each long cable into opposite PTC fitting, slightly rotating the PTC fitting counterclockwise and cable clockwise, approximately 1/4 turn until cable is fully seated. Hand tighten all cables by holding the PTC fitting in place and rotating the turnbuckle. Do not rotate PTC fitting when tightening cables. Using the turnbuckle wrench provided, 1 per kit, place 1 wrench on the flat sides of the PTC fitting. Place a second wrench on the turnbuckle so that it locks in place with the cutouts on the end of the turnbuckle. An adjustable wrench can also be used on the flat sides of the PTC fitting. Use the release tool on the turnbuckle wrench to release the cable from the PTC fitting if needed. PTC fittings are intended to be single-use after the cable has been tensioned. Tension each cable to 100 pounds by rotating the turnbuckle side wrench. Do not rotate PTC fitting when tensioning cables. Tension cables from the center outward, following the sequence shown. Repeat sequence as necessary until all cables are fully tensioned. Locate the center of the span and slide cable brace to its center position. Ensure that cable brace is straight and vertical, and then tighten both top and bottom set screws using a 3/32 of an inch Allen wrench. Install number 8 by 1/2 inch screw into compound swivel bracket at bottom post location. Use the leftover cut pieces of the cable infill adapters to fill the open channel located above each bracket in the X-Series anchor post. Trim each piece to be flush with the top of the post. Next, install your post cap. Lastly, to complete your installation, install your bolt caps by aligning hex shadow line on inner cap with bolt head before installing outer cap. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.